After customizing a standard report in QuickBooks Online, you can save the customizations so you won't need to recreate them again. To save a customized standard report in QuickBooks Online that you have run, click the Save As button in the upper right corner of the Report Customization Settings section to open a Save As New Report window. In this window, type a custom report name into the Report Name field. To share this report with others, click the Share with Others toggle switch to set it to the On position. Optionally, to add this report to an existing customized report group, use the Add to Group optional dropdown to select the name of the report group. Alternatively, to create a new report group if needed, select the Add New Group choice in the dropdown, and then type a name for the new report group into the Group Name field that then appears in this window. When finished, click the Save button in this window to save the custom report. To find saved customized reports in QuickBooks Online, click the Custom Reports link in the Reports and Analytics bar to show the Custom Reports page to the right. Your saved customized reports and, if created, report groups appear in a list on this page. Reports saved into report groups appear indented below the name of the report group in this same list. To expand and collapse the listing of reports in the report group, click the report group's name. To run one of these reports, click its name within the list. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.